You ever wonder how to make lemon curd? I'm gonna show you today. This recipe is the perfect balance between sweet and tart. Right now what I'm doing is cracking 8 eggs into a separate bowl to ensure I don't get any eggshells. And I prefer farm fresh eggs because of the deep, rich orange egg yolks. Perfect for this lemon curd to give it an extra balance of color. To start, we're adding 8 large eggs. 1 1/4 cup granulated sugar. Now we're gonna beat this until it's fully combined. Once the eggs have been completely combined, we're gonna put in the same amount, 1 1/4 cup of lemon juice. The final ingredient that we're incorporating is 1 cup of room temperature soft butter. And then be slow when you first start it so it doesn't kick out. Now don't worry if it looks a little bit like cottage cheese. All of this is gonna melt down and combine beautifully whenever we put it in our saucepan. On medium heat, we're gonna add our mixture inside and we're gonna let the butter start to melt. Using our whisk, we're constantly moving this. We never want the mixture to ever stay still. This takes anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes, but what's going to happen is gonna start to thicken up and I'll show you how to test to know when it's ready. After 2.5 to 3 minutes, you'll see all the butter has completely incorporated into your mixture. We're gonna continue mixing to ensure that we don't have any spots that burn. Now I checked the temperature of this and it's starting to get nice and warm. So at this time, I'm gonna go ahead and incorporate my 2 tablespoons of lemon zest. I added the lemon zest 6 minutes into the cook process. And keep mixing. We're about 11 minutes into this and you can see how it's already starting to thicken up. We're gonna continue mixing this until it'll hold its shape. We're almost there. And at this time, you can actually lower the temperature if you wanted to, just to be on the safe side, because what we don't want is for it to burn. The easiest way to tell when the lemon curd is done, you draw a line right down the middle, you turn it sideways, and it should hold its shape. A very important tip is to make sure you cover up your lemon curd while it cools off, otherwise it'll have a skin, and we don't want that. Now that we've made this incredible lemon curd, I love to use it for cakes, cupcakes, and trifles. Tell me what you use it in. Thank you.